What is up, everybody? Nerocosm here. This is going to be part 1 of the sleeper build. Step 1, we gotta do some case mods. I don't have any tools at my house, so we're gonna have someone else doing that. It's probably the best bet that I have. We are outside right by the road, but hopefully that'll be fine. So here's our case. It's an old Asus. So I'm gonna need this part cut off here. And I assume when we cut that off, we shouldn't have to cut it over here. And if you turn it over to this side, I want to keep this because I have to mount the I/O back up in here. So I just need to cut here so we can get this cage out. And then I don't need, the I/O doesn't go back this far, so I don't need this part either. And I want to have as much room in here as possible. And then any of the drill outs I gotta do, I'll do that later. Yeah, that's a new shiny 5.0. Now, I don't know if we'll be able to get it in there, but straight shot there, straight shot on the other side, because I also want to keep this bin that's in here so I can mount my SSDs
I will cut
on.
as much as I can.
Alright, I see you cut that top piece. That's what's up. Yeah, I can knock
Feel a little warm.
those away. Do you want the saws off for that? Or do you think we can bend it? Oh, it's got 2 rivets in it. Now you seem like you've drilled out pop rivets before.
A bunch of times.
Have you ever done this?
What?
Have you ever done this?
No.
No?
Remember, my cases back in my day were super big.
Hell yeah. So, special thanks to our business consultant and tool expert greatness. Alright, so the next thing we need to do is drill our holes for the case fans on here. We went with Noctua NFA8s. These are 80mm fans. The reason we went with these is because of all our constrictions in the sleeper PC. It's very small and isn't meant for the 120s that we would normally have. So we'll have one down here, which that should be fine already, and then we need to add another one up here, and that's what we're going to be drilling the holes with. So let's go ahead and do that, shall we? Alright, so now in order to find out where we need our holes at, we're going to need one of the fans. Now they're not going to go on this side, but this is the side that I do have to drill on. So I just need to line these holes up. Probably open the Sharpie first. Alright, that looks pretty good. So that'll be our bottom of that. And now, in order to get the holes the rest of the way, we're gonna get this piece of paper out. Well, I'm using this envelope. Why not? Up in our bottom corner, to the very edge. Try to get it in the middle. Yeah, this is not working out like I thought it would. Well, that actually is working out. Ow. Alright. Now we need to mark how high up that hole needs to be, or what our depth is going to be. So we can probably do it like this. I need quick close the Sharpie. And that line should line up with that line. Pull our paper out. Get this line lined up here. Damn you, Sharpie. Got here, here. I don't know. Probably somewhere up here. And somewhere right there. And we're gonna all squeeze all those in. Just a touch. Just a touch. Just a touch. And just a touch. Now, those probably aren't going to be 100% accurate. We can always make them a little bigger. No problem. And so what we're going to want is this drill bit that is so small, it doesn't say what size it is. We're going to need a drill. So I'm going to be using these Milwaukee or M12s. That's how small that drill bit is. And kind of just going to do a good luck run here. Now this drill bit, I will say, is extremely dull. And then there's one. And it doesn't really matter if we scratch up the front of this case, because it's going to be hidden by the front panel anyway. I'm also gonna, I guess, get these out of here. More airflow. That's what that'll be. This is our airflow hole for airflow to go in here. And yeah. So now while we're doing that, also gonna drill like a couple fans, a couple bigger holes in here. Put some big ass holes in here. And there you have it. Don't forget to vacuum up your metal shavings, or else you're going to have a bad time. And it does. Oh my god, there's a thing for it to sit right here. We probably could have just zip tied all of them. That'll fit. And we just need to zip tie one up here, zip tie one through here, and yeah. Well, be sure to check out the build part of this video, which will be coming up in part 2. And until then, this has been Nerocosm with the sleeper build. Peace.